answer me a God of mine. Man, if we set the foundation, can know some fundraising, just give back.
Intense there now to find the next big king of dancehall. Right now there, Rion Venicci. Rion.
Active is it.
What about my father?
There man, I play.
Yes, I catch you who?
Catch you bunks. Gucci pa my feet, grab a leaf pa my lungs. You know there's something going on.
Yo, Rion, right now I'm saying I go on good. You have some songs, blessings, catch your bunks. Yo, but before we go on music right now, my father, talk to me now.
Yeah.
Who is Rion Venicci?
Baddest upcoming artist, without a doubt. Look on my face, I smile. Baddest upcoming artist and also producer, you see me? It's a balance between a beat maker and an artist, you know what I mean? I feel like the perfect balance because enough artists problem. They have some bad songs in them head, but they can't find the rhythm for it. But me make rhythm, so problem solved, is it?
Set speed, so Venicci talking now. How you start off?
Father is a musician, so I do music from birth, you see me? So
before you go so far, your father, who your father?
Texas Ranger, man, big up yourself anyway, then I already know.
So music, man, DNA from man.
You see it in my jeans like the Levi's, though.
Where you from now?
All of a sudden catching. And I did some really own my craft. First studio, I go there all over. This is my first clash me enter up on all over grounds.
When you decide to take the music on a serious note, you know, say, you know, and this is the part, this is the career, and here we are focused for.
We made go high school, Clarendon College, and there was a clash on the school grounds between two crew on the school, you know, College Empire and Bloody World, where a two crew consist of musicians, isn't it?
Yeah,
and me that one I dominant member of College Empire, so you know what I represent, and I so come record my first song.
What was the name at that time though?
Alright, them time the music name Ranger, you know. Is it? I don't know what Texas Ranger have.
So young Ranger.
It's me, Ranger out for them, is it?
What one of the hardest challenges have you faced?
Alright, in a real life, the real work where if you put it to make an artist bus, it's hard for one person though, you see me? So that was one of the challenges we have before, you see me? But for me, DMG Entertainment and the management and anything, you see me, it's more easier. They can focus on the talent part of it, while some other people can go and do some other things that are necessary, is it?
So right now, talking about DMG now.
Alright, you know say, I meet DMG Entertainment through a friend, you see me? It's a family setting, it's a neutral vibes, a neutral grounds, you see me? Them give me the said respect and the said love as we get from their friend. So you just come like as some long time family, we just meet up back again and just be a love and be a prosperity and the strength real, you see me?
You signed the DMG right now?
Yeah man.
How long?
Approaching 2 years now, release the first single, Rich.
Out of all the songs that you have done basically, which one do you think are the song where you say, you know, I feel like they don't give much weight so you deserve? Good
question. You know, we have a song named Blessings.
I don't see blessings, Jaja give me to keep me going, me going.